What's going on, guys? I just got back from the store, just doing some shopping, and came across these Sword and Shield Battle Style Booster Packs. Haven't opened this set yet. Actually, I haven't even seen them. I went to Walmart today. Apparently, they're not keeping them in the card section anymore. They're keeping them at customer service. There's like a big sign posted. And, yeah, I guess it's, I don't know. I guess it's to deter theft or from people buying, like, all of them. But they allowed me to get whatever I wanted, which was cool. I only wanted, I don't even know how many did I get. Five packs. So, check out the set and see what's in it. I have actually no idea. I was just, more excited about Shining Fate stuff. Still gotta open those tins, but I'm just waiting for Neil to head down here at some point, and we'll open those for you guys. So let's see what Battlestyles has to offer. Ooh, these are like butter. Alright, code card. I actually have no idea what's in the set, so. Rapid Strike. Okay. So, do they all say that? Oh, Single Strike. Level Ball, Electabuzz. Ooh, that's cool artwork. I like that one. What else we got? Honage, T-Pig, Single Strike. So I guess they're, oh no, they're not all going to be Single Strike or Rapid Strike. Cubone. Vivian and Lurantis. Okay. I haven't even seen people open these up. Yeah, I've been really busy with work lately, so. It's Sunday now. I think the video should come out today, so it should still be Sunday. Code card. Still trying to get together a PSA submission. That one should be going out soon because really need to get some cards graded. Actually, we're deciding between that and CGC now since PSA raised their prices, but all right. I'm liking the artwork. Artwork's cool. Oh, that chink's pretty cool. Oh, Falapple VMAX. Okay. So one hit, 2 packs so far. That's not bad. Put this guy aside. I wonder what the chase card is. I'm assuming it's like trainer full-outs or something, right? Esper, Rolicoli. That one's kind of cool. It's like a claymation or something. Anytime I see claymation, it reminds me of those like Christmas movies from a long time ago. Electrive. All right. Lightning Energy. Tower Darkness. Bliphug. Mankey. Altoiv. Shoop. And Holographic Steelix. Not bad. Last pack, Tyranitar. I'm assuming Tyranitar is in this set. It's on the artwork. Should really look into it though, I guess, right? I don't know. code card. 3, 4. I use him in Pokemon Go a lot. I don't know why, but he seems to do good in battles. Spoink, Malwai, Cackney, Corfish, Timber, Reverse Golbats, and a Cherum. Alright, so not bad. I like the artwork in the set. Maybe I'll pick up some more if I'm out or see them. It's not really a priority right now. There's some other stuff I want. I need to build my pack collection up a bit. Send those off to grade. Got some still cool stuff coming, but you'll have to wait and see. And that was our hit. Alright guys, thanks for checking out. Quick video, and we'll be back.